know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
This is a sample that lock it up shit. You know what I mean? Take a walk through these dark streets of Philly I was raised in. Concrete jungle was my playpen, raised by made men, surrounded by hate and but I can't let my soul give in. Born for this shit, I'm thinking I'm supposed to win. Yeah, and they try and close me in. Against all odds, I'm approaching them. They looking at me like I'm throwed off. They don't know 100 niggas riding at no cost.
Yeah.
These little niggas still thinking they old dog. Oh God. Now ask yourself, are you ready for that loss? Don't gas yourself. See you fucking with a boss. Let's get back to business. Preparing to live. Y'all mad and living. I came from the bottom with the addicts skitching. Made millions and we used to serve addicts pitching. They tell you it's the best in the city, they're not piping it. Can't get no sleep, they call my phone all night with it. Listen, I put this on my mom. They want 4, 5, and 6 every time. And then they love it how it's dripping, then they pipe with it. I drop a 4 in the water, OZ and some soda, mix the ice with it. Whip game nice with it. Some gon' like it, but some just won't like the shit. This how I'm able to rip the Submariner and roll it with no ice in it, without even pricing it. The chain link shit, it look like little rice in it. The pinky ring, man, I swear it look like lice in it. Nigga liking it, nigga they liking it. And yeah, they say I come through hype as shit. Some say I'm hype as shit, but I'm a calm nigga. I just fall back, grip the mic and rhyme, nigga. And I don't try, I still shine, nigga. Outshine anybody, outgrind anybody. I don't mind any problems, got the 9 in the shotty. 9 for the headshot, the shotty for the body. Y'all niggas small time, I'm like Giacana. They can't stop my grind, I'm stopping any problems. Kill, please don't stop me, I'm cocky when I'm wildin'. These niggas can't stop me, they bout to call a fouling. I'm copping all the timing. Nigga, get the ref in the game. I snatched the chain off his neck. Matter of fact, snatch the neck and the chain. Do it the same. Nigga going insane. They say I'm losing my brain. That's what they thinking. Saying our boat is sinking. No, we coming up. Nigga, we bout to rise. I see straight through your disguise. And look into a nigga's eyes, it's the key to a soul. Where they say that nigga work is the key to that goal. Nigga, I'ma burst in and open up his soul, open up his chest. Now his family dressed in all black, looking at the casket, they can't believe that. They get the feedback, and now they boy gone, and now this boy on. Now I'm about to take my team, put them in the zone. Once I'm on, they all on. We all getting paid, y'all haters getting laid. I never been afraid.
Let me get that, let me get that. Look at that. Y'all just see that shit? I ain't got nothing to say.
It's a motherfucking problem, nigga.
All I can do is hit the weed. That's all you can do. It's just hit the weed. After that, what more is there? Hit the weed. My man Billionaire Drake, your man Ben, aka 8 Million, and your man Kill. You know what I mean?
We out here on 4-9, man.
4-9.
4-9 Philly. We live, what they say? We live on location. You know what I'm saying? Nigga straight up there. Nigga, you should try. Well, man, you should get it down street. We call that Herbalife, nigga. That's Herbalife up there in the corner, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Back in the day, like.